In a combination situation, order does not matter. So we look at these as a committee problem. So I might be selecting a committee of two. So I might say Leticia and Shanna are on my committee. Well, saying Shanna first and then Leticia, I have the same committee. So I only have one committee that can be made up of Leticia and Shanna if I only have two people. So in this case, order does not matter. Saying one person's name first does not make them more important than the second person. So this has a formula. It's called a combination of n items taken r at a time, or n people, and I'm going to select so many of them. And this formula looks similar to the permutation. In fact, it's exactly the same as a permutation at this time. But now what we need to do is say, because order doesn't matter, this is going to be a lesser amount by r factorial. I've got to get rid of the order that came into it. So I might be selecting 9 of 12 people for a team. So I have 9 people, and I'm going to select, I have 12 people, and I'm going to select 9 of them. So the formula would say 12 factorial over 12 minus 9 factorial times 9 factorial. That's all in the denominator. So if we look at what this would look like if we're going to divide it, you need to remember 12 factorial is just a listing of all the numbers, but you're multiplying them, and that comes into your permutation and your counting principle. So I'm just going to list them out. And then this 12 minus 9 is 3 factorial. I'm going to put it down here so hopefully you can see that those are going to divide. And 9 factorial is all of this. And I'm going to have some duplicate cancellations here. So if I take a look at what cancels, I kind of like to think of it as all the 9 factorials cancel out. This 3 factorial, which is listed here, has already canceled the 3, 2, 1 with the 9 factorial. So I just simply say 3 times 2 times 1 is 6. 6 goes into 12 twice, and then I multiply. And that's how many different committees I could form if I was selecting 9 people from a total of 12.